Days before the Philippine Army received their new Sabrah light tanks and VBTP-MR 6x6 armored personnel carriers, a similar event was held in Indonesia, as the Indonesian Army also received several new armored and tactical vehicles. 52 vehicles were handed over, which includes the first 10 Harimau medium tanks, 3 Badak 6x6 fire support vehicles, 10 Pandar 8x8 infantry fighting vehicles, 12 Anoa 6x6 armored personnel carriers, 7 Komodo armored light tactical vehicles, and 10 Maung 4x4 utility vehicles. All of the vehicles were delivered by Indonesian arms manufacturer PT Pindad to the Indonesian Ministry of Defense, which in turn handed them over the Indonesian Army. The Harimau medium tank competed against the Asgard II Sabrah for the Philippine Army's light tank acquisition project, while the Anoa competed against the VBTP-MR in the PA's wheeled APC acquisition project. The Pandar II came from Czechia's Excalibur Army, which is also supplying the Pandar II 8x8 AVs as part of the PA's light tank acquisition project. The Badak is similar to the Philippine Marine Corps' V-300 fire support vehicle, which is also a 6x6 armored vehicle equipped with a 90mm gun. The Komodo is PT Pindad's light tactical vehicle based on Renault's Sherpa, while the Maung is an interesting new 4x4 military vehicle which is smaller than a HMMWV and is similar to the BBM combat vehicle built by Filipino company Anos Research and Manufacturing, and may even be using the same engine, sourced from Isuzu used by D-Max commercial pickup truck. The advantage of Indonesia over the Philippines is that these vehicles were either locally made or locally assembled with local content in Indonesia, while the Philippines' only participation is on installing weapon systems and some other foreign-made subsystems. #MaxDefense, #MaxDefensePH, #Indonesian Army, #TNIAD, #PT Pindad, #Pindad Harimau, #Pindad Badak, #Pindad Maung, #Pindad Komodo, #Excalibur Army, #Pandar II, #Pindad Anoa.